That was 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. Now I have some powdered sugar. We need a lot, okay? We need 2 cups. So you need a whole bunch of powdered sugar in here. Sweet. Now we have some vanilla extract. We just need 1 teaspoon. And you guessed it, we are bringing in an electric mixer and we're gonna beat this till it's smooth and creamy. I forgot we need to add a dash of salt to this. Okay. All right, guys. Okay. So you want it smooth and creamy just like that. And you want to use an extra large bowl such as this. Now we have 16 ounces of thawed out Cool Whip. And we're going to add half of it right now to our mixture. And we're just going to stir it together until it gets nice and combined and fluffy. Oh, we are making something so yummy today. Can't wait to show you guys the stars of the show coming in here any second because we're literally almost finished. This is so easy to throw together. Oh my goodness. So just mix it up. Get those sides. Oh, and you can make homemade whipped cream too if you want, but I don't know. I wanted to make it easy today and go with the Cool Whip. Wow, that is looking so fluffy, you guys. Oh, I'm so excited. Once we have this nice, fluffy, thick consistency, we're gonna take back our Cool Whip and just add all the rest of it in there. So in total, you are using 16 ounces of Cool Whip, just like I said earlier. Get that all out. And then you're just gonna fold this together. Oh yeah, baby, this is the good stuff. And that little dash of salt that we add in there, that's very important. This is gonna give it just a nice little saltiness. It's gonna cut that sweetness oh so lightly. And once it looks like this, oh, it looks so amazing. Oh, you're all good to go with this part. But now, the fun part, strawberries. We have 2 pounds of diced strawberries, and I washed them, okay? And I washed the container too, and I put them back in the container. Then we have 18 ounces of washed blueberries. Oh, I love fruit in the summer. So fresh, so beautiful. And this large bowl is gonna come in handy. Oh, but this might be even more fun. We have jet puffed mini marshmallows. And this is not a full bag, which is 10 ounces, but it's like a half bag or 3/4 of the bag. You want about 4 cups of mini marshmallows. So I think that's good. I think that'll be perfect. Now we're gonna take our spatula and we're gonna fold everything together in our large bowl. See how much easier it is when you have a large bowl to do this? Usually my bowls are not big enough and I struggle, but this is so easy and it's gonna go so quick. Oh my gosh, this cheesecake salad, it is looking so good. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to have a bite of this. Perfect for potlucks, perfect for parties, for church. Memorial Day's coming up. Make this for 4th of July. You don't even need to make this for one of those holidays. You can make this year round. But it's just gonna be extra cool if you make it for one of those because we have red, white, and blue. God bless America. Am I right? Right. Okay. So after you folded everything together, just like this, you are pretty much finished. Wasn't that so easy to make such an awesome dessert. All right. All right, and we're gonna go ahead whoo, and pick this up. Bring in a smaller serving bowl. Oh my goodness, this is a monster bowl. How am I gonna do this? Okay, so I'm just quickly going to transfer this into my, I don't know, medium to large size bowl here. I just feel like it's gonna look so much better. You know, not in this cartoonishly large bowl that I got from Goodwill. It is so big, but it makes things easy to mix, but it's huge and it's heavy. But I do love it because it comes in handy. Okay, so just make sure you get all of that out. Don't want to waste any of that yumminess. And you can totally chill this in the refrigerator if you want, so it can get nice and cold. But I think I'm just gonna eat it just like this. And you can eat it with a spoon. Oh, but we should look. How does that look? Aren't there some beautiful layers going on, David?
Oh yeah, that looks beautiful.
You don't want to talk today? Okay. We're gonna enjoy this with some graham crackers. You can eat it with a spoon. You can eat it with a spoon if you want, but I'm gonna eat it with a graham cracker, and oh, that always happens. Oh, shit. Oh my gosh. Mmm.